Going psycho, lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo.
Three, two, one, get up, get up. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and in this video I'm back with another makeup tutorial finally. And please try to ignore the mess in the background. I've got a situation going on, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm actually going to change the lens out, so I'm going to switch the lens and I'm gonna zoom you in so you can really see what's going on. So give me just a second. Okay, so we're still on the same lens. This is the brow slash eyeliner pencil from LA Colors, and this is in the color brown. So like for the first third of my eye, I do that. And I know it looks a little blocky. I'm gonna fix it. And now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. brow pencil in the color deep brown. I'm going to use this because it's darker than the pencil I just used, and it's going to help to give me a gradient for my brow. Now I'm going to go in with some clear brow gel. You can use it as mascara. She will work. She will work. So now I'm going to go through and shape my brow and clean it up with some concealer, and I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Cover and Conceal palette. And I'm going to use this color right here. Nope, this one. I'm going to use this one right here because it's just light enough. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. I'm just going to start off with my e.l.f. blending brush right here. I'm going to, and I hate that they don't have the names at the bottom. I would prefer if they even had it on the back, but they just have like a loose situation, so I just taped it up here so I don't lose it. I'm going to start off with this color right here, and this color is named Sweet Beets, like B-E-E-T, like the vegetable. And I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to start off with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Fired Up, which is this orange color right here. And I'm going to use this to blend out the color that I just did. So I'm going to take it a slight bit higher. And then I'm going to go back in with that e.l.f. blending brush and go back into that Sweet Beets color. Now I'm going to go back into this, or not back, but I'm going to go into this black shade right here, and this is called Black Magic. I like that name. And I'm just going to put that on the outer V. Then I'm going to go back in with that Wet n Wild blending brush and just blend this out. I actually didn't cut my crease, so I'm not going to do it on this eye, but I should have. But for the lid, I'm going to go into this beautiful, beautiful purple shimmer shade here at the bottom. And this is called Grape Expectations. It's a really cute name. And so last but not least, I'm gonna go in with one more shade, and I believe I used, yeah, I think it was this one. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's slightly darker than this one that I used in my crease, and this one is called FOTD, and I'm gonna put that in my crease just to darken it up a bit. I'm gonna go in with this like lip brush, but I'm actually going to go into the lightest shade in this palette up here, and I am going to, this is called Light of the Party. So I'm gonna go into this shade up here, and that's gonna be my brow bone highlight. Now for a liner, I'm gonna go into this, I'm gonna go into this gel liner from She Cosmetics, and this is in the color Black. That's a thick wing. We will work with it. Now I'm going to put on lashes, and I'm going to put on the Ardell 110s. They're very natural lashes in general, but I have small eyes, so they're dramatic for me. But I'm gonna put those on off camera because it's gonna take me a second, and then we will be back for the rest of the tutorial. Oh my gosh, just a second. Okay, we're back. So I put on lashes. After I put the lash on, I went over the gel liner with liquid liner, and I used the e.l.f. Expert liner in the color Jet Black, and I curled my lashes, put mascara on, and all of that. And I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and now I got mascara on my face. At least it wasn't on my eyeshadow. So for primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to mix two. I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay in the color Coconut, because this is the color I am in the Maybelline Fit Me, but I feel like it's just a tad bit too dark. And then I'm going to mix in like a pump of the e.l.f. foundation serum. This is in the color Dark Deep. Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection face powder in medium deep, which I've hit pan on and it's almost gone. I don't even know if they still sell this or if this was like limited edition. And now I'm gonna go in and contour. I'm gonna use my new contour brush that I got from e.l.f. Can you believe I found a bunch of these brushes at Dollar Tree? So I'm gonna go back into this Makeup Revolution concealer palette, and I'm gonna use the deepest shade they have. Ooh, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I blend out my contour, I blended out my highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder very quick. I'm going in with the NYX Set It and Don't Fret It in the color Medium Dark. So I'm gonna let that sit for maybe like not even a minute. I'm about to brush this off now. My skin is oily, but baking dries it out. My skin doesn't know what it wants. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Baked highlighter in Apricot Glow. For my highlight, I use the foundation brush or the F60 from Sigma. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my favorite combo right now. It's from the Soft Matte Lip Creams from NYX. So I do a combo. So I start off with the darkest shade from this trio, and it is called Berlin. I'm just gonna take it and outline or line my lips with this. These smell so good. And now I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade from the trio, and this is called Abu Dhabi. I'm gonna go in the center of the lips. I'm gonna go back into that Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of this color, which is sweet beets, and then this orange color, which is Fired Up. I'm just gonna run that on my lash line. Yeah, that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Remember, new videos every single Wednesday and Friday. I'm in love with this look. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and play more with color, and I think that this is a great start. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.